Oh, it's time! Let's go! Okay, in this episode of SLICED, contestants are challenged to predict the geek ratings for board games on BoardGameGeek.com. Audience members can follow along too. How to participate. Log in and create a caggle. We're joining this competition. I understand. I accept. Woo! I got 15 minutes to familiarize myself with this set. So, download the data. Boom, data. Download all. Oh my golly gee whiz. Let's go put this in my SLICED project. Oh my, oh, I'm anxious. Here we go. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Tenho. Thank you, Albert Moreno. Thank you, folks. Let's get going. Overview. You get 10 submissions during the episode. They must be submitted before the end of the 2-hour live coding is up. You can hand select a submission from the My Submissions tab. Otherwise, all submissions will best public score on the 1% of the test data will be taken and scored on the private leaderboard on 99% of the test data. Oof, okay. Is this it? This is all I get. Download the data, read about the challenge and the documentation. Boom. Okay. RMSC is our target metric. Okay. Okay. There are 3,485 unique values. Okay, minimum number of players. This is gonna want to. Okay. Max number of players. Average time for gameplay. Okay. Minimum game time, maximum time. We have some bad values for the year. Okay. This we're gonna filter that out. Maximum time. Okay. What I'm really stoked for is the fact that there's not a lot of categorical data, because that's just always a pain in the butt. So we're gonna we're just gonna deselect title, and then we're gonna get playing with it. I know Magic the Gathering's in here, and that's gonna definitely be extreme value. Number of votes. Rearrange this, sort, descending. Oh. That's ascending. Okay. Okay, yeah. Catan, okay, that makes sense. I've never heard of Puerto Rico. Not really much of a board game player anyways. Okay. Good point. Oh, I gotta put my chat onto emotes only. I'm sorry, folks. It's time. geek rating for board game. So let's go geek rating. We can look at the train data. This is what we're predicting is the geek rating. We have very few in the tails, so I think we could do a log transformation on here. We're going to want to look at the scatter plot of number of votes and the geek rating. Geek rating goes up to, I guess, 8.5 is the max. I'm guessing there's probably like a maximum of 10. Thanks, Albertson. Okay. Are there any other things in the predicted column that we need to keep an eye out for? Nothing too dramatic. I don't see any sort of missing values. Is it okay? That's a good question. The minimum number of players. Let's sort this. Sort ascending. A lot of games with 0. Not a lot, a few. We're probably going to want to filter out these. Okay, so let's take some notes here. In max player greater than 0. We also want to filter out years, let's just say greater than 1900. We're going to deselect title. We have geek rating. The maximum amount of time. Let's sort descending here. I have just about 7 minutes. Sort descending, apply. That's ridiculous. Less than 10,000 for the maximum time. Okay. Advance the Third Reich. That's scary. Okay. Case blue. We're going to filter out case blue. Yeah, like that's ridiculous. Let's filter down. Let's just see what it looks like here. Once we do that. Oh, it doesn't show us the new. Perfect. Number of votes. I'm curious what to see if there's going to be. Let's look at interactions here. What can we interact at a later point? There's probably going to be interaction between time and players. Okay. Just this. I'm going to probably turn this off at a later point. Okay. The minimum number of players. Could we think about like we're thinking about like feature creation. What about like the ratio of like max to min players? And then we're gonna probably want to scale these all at a later point, right? We're gonna step range these. All right. What games are we testing on? All right, the minimum time is 17.3, and these, I'm guessing this is minutes. What in the hell? Sort descending. Sort descending. Okay. 5 minutes. This is gonna throw us off. Like, what? This is all bad. the min time and the max time and the average time are all the same. Okay, that's a note of concern. Min, max, average time, all the same. And test. But you know what? We're not even gonna test on the. We are for our submission. That's the scary part. Like, what the hell? Is that the same here in train? I don't think so. I think I would have noticed that. Okay, they're all the same. So if this is all the same, we can do some feature reduction. Let's think of a step lin combination, because I learned that one today, right? And of the time of contains time. That's what we're going to be thinking about right here, because these are the same. Therefore, they are a function of each other. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so there's some stuff that really throws us in for a loop here. Right, there's a minimum time of 0 and 20. We're not going to filter this. If anything, we can do some PCA. If the step linear combination doesn't work. Appreciate all of the emotes in the chat. I really appreciate this. This is crazy. All right. 2.5 minutes. What else can I look at before I can start going? This is going to be a perfectly correlated. We're going to visualize this, right? A scatter plot of min to max time. I got paper. Scatter. What other kind of cool visualizations can I do? I'm not doing a pie chart. My repertoire is pretty bad. Let's see what I got here. I always go back to my own notes if I can. Let's look at Pleasant Beyond Mentions. No. Emil, if you're in the chat, shouted you out through your color palettes here, because of course. Here we go. Let's go bivariate relationships, scatter plots, hex chart, hex bins. We can do GG ridges. Okay, 1 minute. Got box plots, duh. What else? You don't have anything categorical though, really, so we can't really do much with box plot unless we want to think about our maximum players. It's kind of categorical. Whoa, we have max players. What is Linky? So 99. Okay. Max player equals 99 might be an error. And then I'm thinking we could either, let's just set the max, in this case, set max player equal to the min player. And it's 9 o'clock. Let's go. All right, let's do it. You know the first thing we're doing? We're loading tidyverse. Tidyverse, library, tidy models, boom, tidy models, prefer, boom. And we're going to do this before I forget about it. Do parallel register, do parallel cores equals 4. Okay. Perfect, 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 perfect. And now I dropped something, it doesn't matter. Data import, let's go. plus raw df, read CSV, data, train. Oh, that's fun. Okay. All types equals C. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be a D category. Did I miss category in the training set? Oh, this wasn't even in there. Oh, crap. Okay. Crap. Let's just do this. Calls. No, I don't want to do that. All right, D. I C D D D D D D D D D. Oh, this is totally different than what we got. No, what we're gonna do is we're this. All character. Okay. Perfect. Filter max players equal 9. Okay. Max players equals if else max players equals 99. Say it's equal to min players, otherwise set to max players. Perfect, that didn't work. Okay, and then we want to say, just keep checking things here, raw df. Oh, Tom! I love you, Tom. I haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing well. Less than. Okay, yep, if we're going to say, what do we do? Say year equals. What do we got for imputing steps? Let's just make that missing, so we can do an if else. Years less than 1,000, we get NA. Otherwise, we get year. Finder. Don't be an idiot. Step impute. Right. All right, that's what we get. Now we have missing things for year. And then let's check out designer. Designer wasn't in the data set. So count designer sort equals true. Perfect. We have a whole lot. Mutate p equals n divided by sum of n. I don't even know if it's going to make any sense to use designer. Don't even use designer. Way too many of them. Okay. And then let's look at category 1. I think category 1 is just going to be what we're going to want to use. I don't think my computer has the, yeah, just fuck it. We're not going to do, only use category 1. Let's count the mechanics, raw df mechanic. What? Oh shit. Oh, how do I dummy this? Okay, sort. Oh fuck. I'm gonna ignore that for now. If I have time, use text recipes on mechanic. I don't remember. Okay. We have geek rating. Okay, min players, max players. We're gonna just deselect names for the time being, because that's irrelevant. Geek rating, that's our Y. And lots of sounds here. Okay. Owned? The fuck's owned? Okay, so just. Yep, that makes sense. What other notes that I have here? Let's check out the histogram of max time, see if that fits our. Yep, okay, so we're going to say it's going to be less than 10,000 for our filter. Less than 10,000. Geom density. All right, let's do this. Set. Let's go light. Perfect. It might even make sense. It might even make sense to reduce this even further. Like, y lim. Say -1 to. That's the wrong one. Go with the x. Okay, whatever. Let's ignore that. Title equals. Okay. X equals very duration. Let's go. Perfect. Okay. Let's save this to an object for the time being called clean.df. Boom. df. And then let's look at a scatter plot of df. Oh, wrong thing. ggplot AES. Let's look at min on the bottom, max. Min time, and then max time, geom point. Ooh, there's a. So we can see that most of them fall on this line here. We got a few outside of that. Let's go alpha equals 0.12. And most of them fall within here. What if we say size equals df? What's it doing? Oh, max players. So the time doesn't have anything to do with the max number of players. From what we can see, Let's look at category 1. Haha! Okay. Far, far, far too many. Okay. Let's just not look at that. Mutate. Fact. Other. Look again. Fact lumped. We're going to say crop equals 0.5. Let's call this category. Nope, we want to do category 1. Category equals, okay. Asset wrap, category. Okay, so the other is what got a lot of weird stuff. Economic games, card games. Let's just let's go free scales. Let's just see what we got up in here. Okay, okay. Labs equals min time category Noki. It's not a beer. I don't like beer anyways. Okay, what else we got in here? Okay. Okay. I think we're ready to get modeling here. Just to get started. Okay, so let's partition. Let's do this. Okay, so initial split, clean df, init split, okay. Boom. And then, okie dokie, okay. We want to deselect names, actually. Let's get our thing selected here. We're going to deselect game ID names. Maybe I can do contains category, and then I'll select category 1. Does this work? Perfect, okay. Got all I want? How are you doing this? Okay, cool. Clean df. Okay, clean df. Into split. Clean df. Mechanic. I don't want mechanic either, actually. It's too much for me. Okay. Now, you have a train df, test df, testing init split. Okay. The chef is entering the kitchen, baby. Let's go. Recipe. Geek. The hell. Geek rating. by min players plus max players plus average time plus min time max time plus votes. Data equals train df plus the base recipe. We're gonna partition this out a little bit. I just noticed I'm not even listening to music. I think I'm just in the fucking zone. I don't need it. Let's glimpse what's owned again. Glimpse train df. Okay. We don't want designer either. Ba, 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 ba. All right, I need to set a timer for, let's do 25 minutes just to check in with myself, see where we're at, level set with myself. Let's just stick with that actually. Then let's go model specifications. And then if you haven't seen this, which I'm sure you probably have because Ozma had a wonderful tweet about it, check out this bad Larry. Shiny app that just opens up in the viewer, and we're doing regression today. And then, you know what that means? We're gonna specify some good little models here. Of course, we always gotta do the neural network, the base linear model, of course. Then we're also going to do the, where's ElasticNet? XGBoost is always nice, but I'll include it anyways. GLNet, there we go. And then if we're feeling fancy, let's do a SVM model. Call this XGB, and I'm not going to tune all this crap. I don't have the time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. All right, loss reduction. Let's. This is the challenge of options, right? Like you get so many of them, and you don't want to get rid of them. All right, let's get rid of sample size. Let's just stick with a simple sample size. Keep it going faster. Learning rate. Read depth is important. Let's get rid of loss reduction. Okay, with the XGB spec, let's call this LM ENet spec. Ooh. GLMnet. This is our LM spec. We're going to tune this neural network usually pretty fast. Call this SVM. It's actually SVR, isn't it? Whatever, SVM spec. Okay. Workflow sets, baby. And this is where shit breaks on me usually. Because I get too excited. That's why I need to create my recipes list base equals base res. And then let's call these our models. And let's just start simple. Let's start ENet equals ENet spec. LM equals LM spec. And NNet equals NNet spec. Oh, y'all didn't tell me. Bfold cross validation, baby. Train df folds. Okay, now we got our folds. Boom. Oh, I gotta stop at that. Models, recipes. Okay, we got that one recipe. Workflow set. Then we have our pre-processing, so recipes. Then we have our models. We'll keep cross equals true. Workflows. This is quick. This is what the workflow looks like. Workflow map. Then we have our workflows. Then we have our resamples set to folds. And then we have verbose equals true. Then we have our control equal to control grid. Parallel over literally everything. This is when I wish I had the M1 chip. Yeah. What's allow par? Okay, so Okay. Fits. Workflow map. Workflow map. This is where we wait. And this is where I open up another session to do some visualization while we wait. And then also, we're going to do walk 1 through 5. Then beeper, beep. And that's going to make a loud-ass sound that I'll hear after this. Okay. Oh, I got to... Woo! Oh, this is productive. Yo. Woo! All right, that's done. Okay. Fits. So what I'm gonna do is collect metrics. That's absolutely awful. Like absolutely terrible. Okay, that's great. How do I set the metrics as well? We want to say metric set RMSE, right? Equals. Oh, RMS is already in there. I'm not even tripping. Okay, so we already did this. Now this is where we try to make things look better. All right, so now we're gonna take this base recipe. Actually, we're gonna create a new one. Train df. Okay. Now we're going to include time owned. I thought I got rid of mechanic. Okay. Number of votes, owned, age, category 1. All right. Kapow. Okay, so we have this. And then we're going to do step other for designer. Then we're going to step dummy that bad boy, designer. And we're going to step dummy category 1. And then we're going to step, let's do step range of owned. Oh, we're going to include year here too. Oh, okay. Year. We need to step impute year, right? Because train df filter is.na year. Perfect. Okay. Plus years. Let's do step impute k and n of year. Right? Did that work? Oh, I'm doing this in the wrong place. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. Screw it. I'll retrain this model. See if this works. Prep. Year doesn't exist. Gonna add that. Designer doesn't exist either. Object designer not found. Did I design? Oh, I did get rid of designer. What am I thinking? Now I'm getting hot. I'm outside of my comfort zone. Turn the AC on. Okay. Owned has been arranged. Number of votes. Let's do votes. Step Lin com of sounds. Contains time. I spell things right. Okay. Didn't do anything. I think it did. Nope. Alright, let's do that PCA. Okay, perfect. And then let's also step PCA between let's say step mutate. I think that's how I want to do it. Let's say ratio player equals max players divided by min players. Okay, glimpse this. Count train df. We're looking at age, sort equals true. Step other, age. Okay, cool. Dummy. Interest, let's call it intermediate recipe. Now let's just create another one where this will be called int equals rec, and let's just train that one for the time being. And you know what? Let's actually just include XGBoost because it's fucking fast. Or that's not fast, it's good. It's performant. Let's include the SVM spec now. Save this in case my computer dies. Okay. Perfect. Our models. Add this to our recipes. Nope, I gotta create the new workflows. I always forget about this. Okay, create the new workflows. No, I said stop. Okay, workflows. All right, here we go. What's good, Noah? All right, so now we've got this this thing going on. Let's copy this over. Oh, that was my. Let's just close this. This is where I was practicing earlier. Block 1 through 5, beeper, beep. So when this ends, we can know what to do. Oh shit. NA and foreign function. Hey, what's up, Emil? Okay. I went too hard on the recipe here, I think. All right, something created the ratio. Definitely created infinite values. Um, oh, you know what? We got this here. We can put infinite values. NA omit, maybe? All right, we're a quarter of the way done with this. Okay, one step NA omit this. Okay, let's just cancel this. We're back. All models have failed. Welcome to my life. Step NA omit all numeric predictors. Let's get rid of that. Let's recreate this. Recreate our workflow sets. And then for the time being, let's literally actually only look at the elastic net. Kapow! Facts. See, now I'm just like I'm excited about the model training. I don't know if I want to make visualizations now. But that should be my best use of time, right? So let's just do all this here. Okay, that worked. Okay, we're getting better. We're getting better. All right, now let's I think this is gonna work. Now, let's give this a shot. Okay, now let's take the raw DF, right? Let's take this. We have tidy text. Let's do this. Let's unnest tokens. Let's do some TF-IDF visualization while we're at it, right? Remember to do that. Tokens, raw DF. We're looking at mechanic. Okay, and then this is. I remember how this works. Output word mechanic. Okay, then. Oh god. TF. Oh boy. We can't do TF-IDF if there's only no other documents we're looking at here. So let's take this. Slice max. n equals, I'm going to do something. All right, dice player, let's look at 15. Yes. We're going to look at on the y-axis n word geom call. Going to mutate your word based on n. All right. My tidy text has just failed me. What? I don't want to anti-join stop words, right? Okay. Dice rolling player movement variable action card set. Geom call. We're almost done with that model training. Most popular. Most frequent. Game mechanics. Caption. What? I'm hurt. Oh, that's it. Alright, that scared the shit out of me, if I'm being totally honest. Oh no. Alright. Unnest. You know what? We should just preemptively create one prediction. Set just in case. Filter dot metric equals RMSE. Slice min. What are we looking at? Still pretty small RMSEs, right? That's pretty good. Slice min. We wanted the dot estimate, n equals, let's say, 15. XGB always wins. Like, it always wins. Okay. 15 current models. I don't know. And then I'm going to do the top 15 current models, filter, flow ID, bring detect, XGB. Wow, single quotes. Not like me. Whoa. Let's save this real quickly. Let's just slice one. Okay. Select. Blowing up the Discord right now. Okay, so we need to select trees, min n tree depth, and learn rate. We're going to be using this for XGB tunes for controls. Shit, I don't know. XGB controls. All right, then we need to do whole. All right, whole workflow from fits, and then it's int XGB, right? Okay, XGB WF. Finalize workflow. Okay, so we do XGB WF 40 minutes. All right, so let's get this. Let's work on this one right now and just get something in there, right? This is gonna be XGB controls. Okay, and then is it last? No, we're just gonna fit. Just fit in the whole train. DF XGB fit. It's gonna take a minute. I don't want to be in RStudio DevTools. That didn't take a minute at all. Holy shit. Okay. Preliminary model. And then this is where I tip my hat, literally, at Emil for teaching me about augment and saving me hours. Or probably like minutes. Or half minutes, half hours, quarter hours. We need to read in the test set. Let's put this up here. Read the data. Okay. Holdout set equals read CSV data test.csv. We're gonna do all. Hold the phone. What the fuck? Page owned. Okay. I think we're actually okay. We don't have a fucking category. Yes, we do. What is up with this readr output? This is some bullshit. Okay. Let's say this. Boom. Boom. It's not actually bullshit. It's totally fine. I'm not mad about it at all. Holdout set. The following name parsers didn't match the columns. Geek rating because that doesn't exist. Okay, and then we are also going to do our same selections. Holdout set. Perfect. Now it's like the RMSE of this, where we have. Oh, I can't. Oh, smart, very smart. What I can't predict. I can't look at the RMSE here because, well, they don't give us the actual score. So let's actually do this. Predict ggplot as.pred histogram. I did. Wonderful errors, man. Okay. That seems reasonable for the distribution of what we're looking at here. So I'm not mad. Select. You can select the. Oh, fuck! I need that. Okay, well, I gotta select, something. All right, game ID, and let's say geek score equals .pred. Okay, now we're gonna, let's call this init xgb preds. And then we're going to write CSV init xgb preds. And then we're going to preds slash init xgb preds dot CSV. We're going to comment this out so we don't overwrite what we have here. And let's actually just go to here. Let's submit some predictions. Before we do that, let's verify. I have 10 submissions. I can't fuck anything up, right? So game ID, geek rating. Okay. Submit predictions. I'm going to go over here. Preds. Boom. Very initial model. I really hope I get something better than this at some point. Please help me, God. Okay. Geek score, geek rating. Does that count? Okay, it doesn't count against my. Whew. Okay, it doesn't count against my submissions. All right, let's do this again. Okay. Score. That's pretty okay. I'll take it. All right. With that all set, let's just try to make a better freaking model, am I right? Am I right, guys? Am I right, y'all? So now that we can do this, should we let's look at some transformations that we can perform to our data set, right? Actually, let's see if I can do this. Let's take boom int res. Let's take this out of here and actually include it this time. Mutate step dummy, or sorry, step NA omit all numeric vectors. Let's see if it caused any problems. Prep. Juice Man. Shout out Juice Man. Man's a good boy. Doki. Let's rescale. Should we rescale anything? We have flares. The ratio of flares. Let's include the ratio. We could step box Cox. Step box Cox are we do the ratio. Oh, because the PCA is okay. So let's step range. Step range contains C, and then step box Cox has to be positive, right? Step box Cox to Yeo Johnson. So we got it. Okay, box Cox requires strictly positive variable. I was right. To be more similar to a normal distribution, this package partial log likelihood function is directly optimized within a reasonable set of transformation values. What's Yeo Johnson do instead? Okay. Very similar to box Cox, but does not require the input variables to be strictly positive. Okay, so that way I can actually omit this step range, and I can do step Yeo Johnson contains PC. Doesn't make sense because, hold up, the principal components should be PC, not normally distributed. Okay, so never mind. That's kind of normally distributed. Okay, so let's step Yeo Johnson this crap. Perfect. And then let's just see if this looks okay so far. Let's do that. X. Go hist x PC. Oh, look at that! That's so pretty. Oh, we were thinking about doing an interaction term, right? We by me, I mean me. I made a note of this, right? Time and players interaction. Interaction, step interact. What the fuck does that mean? Do I have to use this recipe? Separator between, unlike other functions, the terms are going to be from all in model. How much contain no inline functions, for example, A, B, C. Like three-way interaction between terms, this format contains other terms. Okay, so let's do step interact. Let's look at average time. What's the scat? The wrong button here. Oh my god, the amount of emotes in the Slack is just crazy. I just love this. The Slack, I mean, chat. It's phenomenal. Thank you all. I can't believe I'm doing this at fucking 10 o'clock on a Tuesday after a busy weekend. Interact average time by in players. So, ooh. Average time is no longer in the model by this point. Okay. So, number of votes, owned, rating. Oh, because we did the interact for the PCA. Let's just copy this whole definition. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's take this interaction step. Category, range, things. Average time still not found. Oh. Matilda! The formula interface! Gets me every freaking time! Well, now I have more control over this. So let's call this ADV recipe for advanced, because it's so advanced. We have this ratio. Let's think about some more. What other sort of wonky crap can we create here? So let's dummy variables encodings, individual transposing, discretize, interactions. Normalization. We already centered. We already did the range on some of these. Class distance creates a specification of the model set that could numerically into Mahalanobis. Mahalanobis. Discord's blowing up. All right, we gotta start training the model again. Advanced recipe here. Oh, oh no. Let's step class dist on all numeric predictors. How? There's no classes, right? Why can we can't do a class distance if there's literally no class, unless that is category. Okay. AV. Oof. Okay, we can't do that one. I got excited. You blame me? Okay. Now we're gonna do all of them. Base equals base for us. ADV. ADV. Rec. Okay. Boom. We have all our models. Is there anything else actually I should do? Parsnip. Parsnip adding. Regression. I haven't done a random forest. All right. We're gonna do it. RF spec. Boom. Oh, we're going nutso. RF equals RF spec. And then we're gonna just in here add the XGB to see what other. Let's just take all of these and tune that. We're just gonna take this and add it to our XGB. Just because we're gonna boost this boost. We're just gonna train. And I got an hour. I got an hour. I'm gonna do that. Boom. XGB spec. Just stop. Boom. Alright, we got all this crap. And I just really hope nothing breaks. We got this. I think I'm gonna go use the restroom now. So I'll be back. I'm back. Hello. Welcome to the party. Oh, where are we? This is it's taking time. Alright. My excitement's dying down. I'm a little tired, a little cold. I don't see any errors. So that's like the best part about this, is it's not yelling at me. So yeah, reminder, I hope all of you vote for me. Because I'm probably not going to win the best modeling or the best visuals. So my only chance, really, for winning anything is with some chat vote support at the end of this. So, God, please. Oh. My hair's ridiculous. Look at this crap. Creating preprocessed data to finalize unknown parameter. How is that an unknown parameter? Okay. I know I'm not supposed to TF, IDF, plot, tidy, text, but I'm going to. No, because what is the document? Yeah, no, because for return frequency, inverse document frequency, we just don't have enough words really to do this, right? I'm thinking about doing the mechanics for documents. Ooh, but the category. Ooh, category could be the term frequency, the document, right? So how does this work? We can go, blah, 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 count. Category. Okay. Okay. Abstract strategy. Then we can do bind TF-IDF. Table, the term is the word. Bird is also the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. And then we also have category. We also have N. Argument. Oh, shit. What? What? Here, I'm going to just try it again. Okay, no, it didn't work. Yes, yes. Unless tokens, word, text, out, book, word. How is this not? Huh? It has to be the same length. It's a freaking nibble, for Christ's sake. That's not an order? Find the word, book. Oh. Silly, silly, silly me. Okay, slice max. This is a weird one for me to use too. You want to take word by TF IDF. Let's just take N. N equals this slice max order by. Okay. the highest voting, mature adult. ggplot, APS. Oof. I gotta cheat. Cheating. Is this cheating? Don't report me. Yes. N15 ungroup. Okay, I was on the right path here. Word, TF, IDF, geom call is yeah, we want to group by. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Group by category N. You want to ungroup. Ungroup. I keep freaking doing this. All right. Mutate. Word equals fact reorder. Word TF IDF. Facets. Category 1. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. We have some debugging to do. I can't read this. This is like some C stuff. All right. Now we're going to work on just fitting this advanced model. Whoa. Okay. Here we have to do something else. Mutate category 1 equals fact lump category 1. All right, this is concerning. So, haha! Welcome back, Joes. Welcome back to this hell of a life here. Okay, so all right, let's just try this. Just work on this real quickly. Okay, that should look a lot better. Okay, so now I got this. ADV, rec, rep, juice, filter, if any, and we want to do everything. Is.na. Okay, so that should be better now. ADV rec, bada bing, bada boom. Let's fit this. Okay. Free Y, free Y. Yeah. Okay. Labs equals title equals most unique mechanic by category. All right, where are we getting this error? Foreign function call. I think, again, it's this freaking ratio. I need to get rid of this ratio. At least for the elastic net. Stop. Um, all right, Spotify's coming on. I think this is looking better. Ratios are always just silly, because, like, no, not the ratio. Okay. Did I redefine the recipe? "45 minutes remaining. This is terrifying." All right, we're gonna figure out this final tuning here. Let's go through the neural network, see what happens. It's the same message. I'm gonna start by, yeah. All right, we're gonna start by just removing one step at a time. Let's get rid of the interaction term. Step range. I think we're almost at the same place we are with this intermediate recipe, right? With KNN, dummy, range, PCA, age, and emit. All we've added is now the Yale Johnson and another. Glad I got at least one model submitted at least. I don't know what else can I do, right? Like, I'm so bad at feature engineering. Kernel PCA, multivariate transformation. We already did PCA here. Oh, this is past it. Ah! Data lab. Oh god, I'm getting my ass kicked. Getting my ass kicked. What the fuck? This is so bad. if I do that, it's the same thing as the intermediate thing, which we've already done. We've already fit. Is there anything else we can add here? I mean, like, crap. Category. Count. P equals n divided sum over n. Guess I can add that now. Do it. What do we gotta lose? Oh, you're lucky you can't hear my music. This is just angry. It's just violence in my eardrums. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, this is where you're at step dummy age, and yeah, there's no fucking difference here, so this should be fine. We create our new recipes. Boom. Our model spec. Boom. Create our workflow. If this breaks, I'm just going to be really confused. Like, really confused? Oh. But what I need to do now is what I did with the step category, right? So step other category 2, and then we're gonna say, what was the proportion that we saw here? Like, all right, let's set this for 0.0. Let's lower our threshold here too. Threshold equals 0.03, and I'll do threshold equals 0.014. I want to, you know what, let's even just go even lower here. All right, now we'll step dummy that. We need to fill that with other, right? So is there NA handling? Step unknown. Unknown category 2. All right, that looks good. Please don't give me a freaking error. That's all I gotta ask. We got 35 more minutes left. Yo, if y'all haven't heard Fit for a King, like angry music, I just gotta recommend it. Okay, it's training. It's training. All right. I like creating R packages because I can fix a problem like right then and there, and it's really satisfying. Machine learning requires a lot of patience that I don't necessarily have, and I'm working on 2,000 rows. People wait days, weeks to train models. Imagine being at NOAA and you're like, oh, I gotta create a new weather prediction model, and you're like, it's gonna train for 3 days. It's gonna train for 2 weeks. Crazy. Crazy. I got a cool plot though, right? Like this plot's looking pretty cool. I personally am against the idea of like coloring small multiples because the multiple already is doing the it's already categorizing it, right? So why add a distraction to the plot? That's just me. Oh. This XGB is gonna probably take like 3 minutes to train. Once we get done with this, I'm gonna settle on whatever we got here and submit that. And then bang my head on the wall? Who knows, man? The worst part is that I live above a convenience store and I kind of want chocolate. I'm thinking about that now. I don't need it. I had pizza for dinner. Ah! I can get interaction with dummy variable. Oh. There's one trick I hope you learn today. It's just having your computer yell at you with a combination of purr and beeper. The beep usually is not loud enough, so if you mix like in this case 10 together, it's just gonna scream. Like, whoa! Alright, yeah, I need an extra view to take a minute. What if I kept age as a numeric predictor? I love that there's people already. Who's Data Lab 351 though? That's like my question. Are they in this competition? Because I really hope not, because they're gonna kick my ass. Oh man. At least move off Kanzi. Right. I'll make a prediction for each one of these models. Oh, this song slaps. Y'all gotta hear a little bit of it. I'm just gonna wait, make my predictions, make predictions for each one of the models that I've got, and then submit them to the Kaggle, and just hope. I feel like I'm watching. I should really watch Chopped. I have no idea what the show's about. I've watched The Final Table. Pretty good show. It's a very good show, actually. Ah, Meg is saying I got 30 minutes left. Come on, Random Forest! Is it illegal to go on Twitter while I wait for this train? I don't think so, right? Ah! Oh, this is a wild breakdown. Anthony! Okay. Ugh, what else can I visualize here in my data set on the other side here? Let's call this. Whoa. Whatever. For each one of the folds, how did I do this one? Okay, so we're going to unnest all right, I gotta, oh god. Bolt. We're gonna unnest.metrics filter arrange penalty mixture metric estimate. Okay. Group by WFO ID, slice min dot estimate equals 1. Well, I don't have 5. Oh no, don't break. Right, RDS, fits, models, last models.rds. Okay. Select flow ID. Oh, I have 5 models. That's why. Odd tunes. Okay. Model mod tunes. Select where is .na. We must be using functions that return true or false. Does is that not return? Oh, it's probably whatever. Oh, I wonder if that's it. Nope. Okay. right, sorry, I need to get smaller for a second. Penalty, mixture. Penalty mixture. Oh, crap. Choking. Okay. Okay. Finalize. Workflow. Net. Tunes. Okay. Bit. Train DF. File enet. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go submit predictions. Okay, that's absolutely fucking dreadful. What? But it gets fucking worse. All right. That's hilarious. Model tunes. Let's do. And this is for neural network, so we're looking at okay. And then we're gonna do this. Roll. This. We're gonna do that. Looks legit. Submit predictions. I can't believe it just got worse, right? Like, that's hilarious. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It just keeps getting worse. What? Oh, too many categories. Too many categories. You gotta be fucking kidding. Alright, alright. We're gonna take this. We're gonna go here. Final mod tunes. This. This is random forest. So we're gonna select M try and min N. Okay. Okay. RF. I swear if it gets even worse, I'm just gonna cry at that point. Okay. Go here. Okay, random forest looking better. And then what do we got here for 4? SVG, okay. Did I rewrite SVG into the SVM? That's funny. Cost. Okay, boom. Okay. VM control. Recipe SVG. RF control we want. SVM control. Final SVM. SVM preds. VM. Want to get that art. Okay. Jesus Christ. SVM. Has to be XGB. Yep. You want I know I could do find replace all, I just don't want to. A little slower. Oh no. GB. Okay, they're all worse. So what we're gonna do now in my last 10 minutes, we're going to do a last rex, which is this. The difference. Range, PCA, other. Except that it's going to be this. And then we're going to just get rid of these thresholds. Boom. Last recipe. We're going to get rid of this. List. Bob equals last rec. And then we're going to do last WF equals work flow set. Last models equals list GB equals XGB spec, and then nnet equals nnet spec. Or which one was the last? Crap. Where are my submissions? Private leaderboard. My submissions. XGB, SVM, random forest. Okay, so we're gonna do that. RF spec, and then we're gonna do recipe.